Yeah, still out here on a, my Olds 88. I'm not gonna rush it tonight. I done got the new lifter in. I got everything covered up and stuff like that, yeah. But right now what I'm doing is working on the intake. See, by this being a 93, it's old. It has years, it had years of build up gunk on it inside of these things. You know what I'm saying? These right here, let's see, I done got as much as I can get off those on both sides, and you know, nice and clean. I done, you know, kind of not so much port, but you know, I use my little drill bit with the wire brush. What little left I had of it to do the little tips of these, but I really just scraped the rest of it clean with toothbrush. I ran out of brake fluid cleaner. Where I had two of them since, you know, probably saving those for the heads, you know, clean, you know, get them heads, everything clean while I got this engine broke down all the way like this. Might as well take advantage of cleaning these things out, you know, hopefully it'll run better. Everything out of water pump, I mean the neck for the, you know, for the hose, the coolant hose, the housing out of, you know, cleaned all that off, you know, got this nice and smooth. So when it connects, when that thermostat sits down, nice in place. Yeah. You know, and yeah. But yeah, that's all I'm doing for tonight. Like I said, I'm not going to rush it. In the morning, I'll get it back together. I got the lifters out the way. That's done for the night. The lifters is done. The main, what the problem was, is done. The lifters. So basically, I'm just taking this time the rest of the night. The sun is almost going down, so ain't no sense in me, you know, struggling through the night. I'm a little tired. I've been out all day, you know, back and forth to the junkyard or whatever. But this is my car. I'm about to take my time, do it right. Do it right, baby. I ain't got nowhere to go tonight. I ain't trying to go out tonight. After I'm through doing with what I'm doing tonight, I'm gonna sit back and chill. Maybe tomorrow night, this car will be running. Well, I have everything ready and running by, you know, tomorrow afternoon. But tomorrow night, this motherfucker will be purring the streets. Well, this motherfucker right here, my Olds 88. Yep. I got the lifters out the way and got the rocker arm bolts torqued down and everything. Yep. Whew. I cleaned out my fill injector thing, was sprayed up in there. Tomorrow I'm gonna head to AutoZone and get some more brake cleaner fluid. You know, this is, and I could run up there now, but I want to take the rest of this daylight that's left to just, you know, like I said, clean the import. I mean the you know, the intake ports. You know. Yep. Got it as clean as could possibly be. So that way, when everything back together and running, that airflow had a nice clean. Nice, it was years of gunk built up on this shit. This thing was black. Little stain right there, but you know, basically this is like 100 times better than it did. And hopefully the car run a whole lot better. I'm gonna finish up this one tonight. This is the bottom of the upper intake plenum. As you can see, I already had it ported. I ported this, last year sometimes. The throttle body. Yeah, look at that. Nice and smooth. Yeah. Yeah, I did that like last year sometime or whatever. Then I painted this plenum. Now, that's a plastic one. I got a metal one, but of course the metal one doesn't have the EGR valve. You know, now I just got to last stage of porting the metal one. Now here's the metal. Yeah, this is the metal intake that I polish. I'm in the last stages of polishing it. You know, I still got a little more to go, but I came a long way on it. This was a factory one I grabbed out the junkyard off of a 92 Buick Park Avenue, same 3800 engine or whatever, and it was a tan color with the bumpy surface. But I had this for like about a year. Been working on it since last November. You know, smoothing it out and shit like that. It's now August. You know, I'm not ready to put it in because I would have to delete my EGR on the car. So this, I'm gonna finish this off and install this at a later date. But yeah, this one right here is the one I'm rolling with now. This is the one I've been